Hey guys, what's going on? So today in this video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the CB GK-16 Firefly keyboard that comes from Cosmic Byte. So here's the box, and upon opening it, it's just a standard box that's made out of cardboard, nothing really special about it. And if we open it up, we've got some packaging that again isn't really that great, but who cares? I just care about the keyboard, right? And right after that we are able to see the keyboard that's wrapped in a plastic bag, and other than that the box is only having a small manual that previously was not available, but they've done some minor changes and I really appreciate that. This is the manual that they've added, and it's just got some basic instructions about the software and where you can find the software at. Now let's take out the keyboard itself, and as soon as we take it out you can see that it's got this really nice black matte finish all over it. The keys are actually Otemu blue key switches that are considered a really close replicant of the Cherry MX blue switches. That is, they're going to be super clicky and super noisy, so make sure that you're buying it with right intentions. On the back it's got two stands so that you can get that elevation right. Along with that it's got the rubber pads as well that will prevent this keypad from slipping on any kind of surface you want to use it on. The keys overall feel really pretty nice, and this is the effect that you're going to be getting under the lights. It's got a lot of effects that you can actually change from. I'm going to be showing you a few of them. This is the breathing one, this goes line by line. This is the rainbow effect that I like really much, and then this is the waves effect as well. Now you can apply some single key effects as well, like the key that you're pressing, that's going to get lightened up as well. Some more effects. Now let's get to a typing test real quick. Okay, so that was the complete review. I hope you guys liked the video, and if you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, share the video, and that's it from today's video. I hope to see you guys again next time. Till then, take care, bye bye.